Ronald Cohen, Impact, Reshaping Capitalism to Drive Real Change. Embark on a journey with Sir Ronald Cohen's Impact, Reshaping Capitalism to Drive Real Change, a compelling call for an impact revolution. In this powerful book, Cohen delves into the importance of reimagining capitalism to address the world's pressing challenges, such as income inequality, climate change, and environmental degradation. In a world where traditional profit motives exacerbate these issues, the author calls for a new paradigm that marries money-making with social responsibility. Cohen introduces instruments like social impact bonds and development impact bonds to turn problems into investment opportunities, while painting a picture of how venture investment can emerge as a force of positive impact and widespread change.
The Impact Revolution. Sir Ronald Cohen advocates for a paradigm shift in global business practices. In his book, he proposes an impact revolution that prioritizes solving major global issues such as income inequality and climate change over profits. Drawing from his experience in philanthropy and venture capitalism, Sir Ronald's insightful and inspiring message presents a powerful case for transforming the way we do business. Impact revolution for a broken world economy. The world economy is broken, and issues such as inequality and environmental degradation are causing social tensions. To counter this, Cohen proposes an impact revolution based on responsible business practices and mindful investment that addresses profit while meeting social responsibility. This approach can lead to large-scale solutions to global problems, as seen in the technology ecosystem created by venture capital. Investments that make a difference. The world's economy needs a blueprint that aligns entrepreneurs, investors, government, and philanthropy interests. Social and development impact bonds position societal needs and ecological problems as investment opportunities. Using corporate bond models, nonprofit social finance tackled soaring recidivism rates after people were released from British prisons. Investors raised $6.7 million and would receive nothing if repeat offenses did not decrease by 7.5%. The 9.7% success rate generated savings for the government, paying only 3.1% in bonds. Such investments transform societal needs into profitable ventures, benefiting communities, investors, and governments. Zipline's life-saving drone delivery. Zipline's drone system delivers medical supplies to Rwanda and Tanzania, serving 80% of Rwanda's population. The company raised $190 million in venture funding and is valued at $1.2 billion. Author Andrew Cohen discusses how impact entrepreneurs like Zipline's founders can surpass the success of tech entrepreneurs by positively impacting the planet. Cohen considers Elon Musk the most effective impact entrepreneur, as Tesla sales have reduced carbon emissions by 4 million metric tons. Investing in a green future. The ESG market has risen to $31 trillion, and investors are increasingly finding green bonds a wise choice for financing environmental initiatives. Social impact bonds are less volatile and not affected by stock market fluctuations or interest rate changes. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals have added fresh momentum to impact investing, with the potential cost of achieving them set at $30 trillion in the 2020s. It's up to us to use our collective power to effect positive change in the private sector. Redefining corporate social responsibility. The 2019 amendment by the Business Roundtable marked a shift in the perception of the role of corporations in society. The amendment emphasized that corporations should not only cater to shareholders but also serve customers, employees, and communities. Big corporations like Coca-Cola, Nestle, Mars, Nike and Adidas have started promoting healthier options and using recycled materials. The concept of impact weighting, developed by Harvard Business School, offers a monetary value to social and environmental initiatives. Corporations that fail to integrate social and environmental impact concerns into their business face the risk of losing customers, investors, and talented employees. Impact policy and social enterprises. Cohen recommends that governments appoint ministers of impact policy, communicate the cost of social issues, incentivize impact investment, and fund early-stage social enterprises to promote financial transparency and direct flows of impact capital. Countries such as Brazil, France, Canada, Portugal, and South Korea have already adopted this approach. Examples include the Access Foundation, which created a £133 million fund for the UK impact industry, and France's NOVSS, a similar $111 million project. Governments must take proactive steps towards social enterprises and impact investments to bring about positive impact and sustainable development. Overhauling capitalism with impact revolution. The Industrial Revolution and the tech boom once elevated billions of people from poverty by creating widespread prosperity. However, selfish capitalism embodied by neoliberalism is now outdated. The impact revolution enshrined in impact investment is a new path created by impact-minded entrepreneurs, investors, and consumers, promising innovation and disruption as significant as the preceding tech revolution. It is imperative that the world overhauls capitalism, and a vanguard of corporate managers offers a viable path forward. Impact Investing Blueprint. Sir Ronald Cohen's book offers a detailed guide on impact investing, providing 5 examples for new investors to follow. While his writing is sometimes preachy, his understanding of financial and governmental nuances is unparalleled. From first-time investors to economics students, Sir Cohen's work is both informative and instructive, and offers a blueprint for socially aware investors. Other works include Sustainable Investing by Kerry Krosinski and Nick Robbins, The SRI Advantage by Peter Camejo, and The Triple Bottom Line by Andrew W. Savitz.
In Impact, Reshaping Capitalism to Drive Real Change, Sir Ronald Cohen has provided an insightful and convincing case for a much-needed impact revolution. By advocating for social impact bonds, development impact bonds, and incorporating environmental, social, and corporate governance into business decisions, Cohen demonstrates a new path towards a beneficial global transformation. Entrepreneurs, investors, governments, and consumers need to embrace this new model of capitalism that not only promises strong financial returns but also contributes to social and environmental betterment. The impact revolution is poised to revolutionize how businesses and investments function, redefining success not just by profits but by the positive impact on the world.